If you're experiencing account sync issues in GTA 5, follow these steps to resolve the problem and ensure a smooth gaming experience. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Rockstar Games website or social media pages to check if there are any ongoing server issues. Sometimes, sync problems can arise due to server maintenance or outages. Step 2. Restart your game. Close GTA 5 completely and restart it. This can help refresh the connection to the servers and may resolve any temporary sync issues. Step 3. Verify your account. Log into your Rockstar Games Social Club account and ensure that your account is properly linked to your gaming platform PC, Xbox, PlayStation. If there are any discrepancies, correct them. Step 4. Clear cache. For console users, clear the cache by turning off your console, unplugging it for a few minutes, and then restarting it. For PC users, you can clear the cache by navigating to the game's installation folder and deleting temporary files. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the issue persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling GTA 5. This can help fix any corrupted files that may be causing the sync issue. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any account sync issues in GTA 5. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Rockstar support for further assistance.